Hi, good evening, friends. Welcome to Art of Trading. I am Kumar here, and we are here again for another video of Nifty key level for tomorrow, that is 7th of October, Wednesday. Before that, we will go check the Nifty performance today and what was my prediction on Nifty. With my previous video which I had uploaded. This is the screenshot of that video. So as you can see here, Nifty had given by above 11,560 up to a target of 11,660, and the sell was below 11,490. Okay, so let's go and check it out what happened with Nifty today. So as you can see here, today another gap up day, another bullish day for Nifty. Consecutively 3 days, that is 3 consecutive days, there was a gap up in Nifty. Now, as you can see here, see 3 consecutive days gap up and bullish move, gap up, bullish move, and again there's a gap up and bullish move. So let's see what happens tomorrow. This because Nifty now it's reached a level where it has broken this trend line, so it is trading above this trend line. So tomorrow what we can expect in Nifty. So before that, we'll check what was the call which I had given in my previous day. See, it was buy above 11,560, and Nifty opened around gap up around 11,600. Okay, so almost 40 points above my buy level. So from there again, Nifty made a high of 11,700. My final target of Nifty was 11,660. So again another 40 points on the buy side. The Nifty had moved totally. The bulls have dominated the bears today. Almost 3 consecutive days Nifty is having a nice bull run. So let's check out what will happen with the Nifty tomorrow. Okay, so this is the level for tomorrow. Tomorrow my prediction is, see, if Nifty, it's almost crossed this trend line. As you can see here, it is cross this trend line. Tomorrow what we can expect is, again there might be a pullback or a retest at this point. Okay, so only I have given buy above 11,580. So this will be the safest point to buy Nifty. Okay, so up to a target of 11,680 and again 11,700. So if Nifty opens anywhere in between, there is no trade. Okay, so wait for Nifty to come and trade again at this level. And one more thing is, if this level is very important level, so if again Nifty breaks this level 11,580, so I've given short Nifty below 11,560 for a target of 11,000 uh, 480. Okay, so the same level acts as a resistance as well as a support tomorrow. So trade very carefully. These are the levels which we get confused whether it is going on the buy side or the sell side. For this, one has to know the price action trading strategies. One has to know the fundamentals, the basic support and resistance, the candlestick pattern. So all this information one should be having a knowledge, so that one can predict at least 70-80% on which way tomorrow Nifty may reverse. Okay, so on the at this point of levels, most of the traders will be having confusion whether it may go down or whether it may again go on the buy. So these confusion at least you may get cleared if you learn price action strategy. Okay, so hope this information will be helpful for you to trade tomorrow, that especially this 5,000 11,580 or 600 level, which is very crucial if Nifty comes for the retest. Please provide it only if Nifty comes for the retest. If tomorrow again there is a gap up and it trades above 11,580, let Nifty go and trade. Don't enter. Only trade if Nifty comes and retest this 11,580, and see for any buy confirmation. If there's a buy, or if it breaks 580, or if you have a sell confirmation, then please go and sell Nifty. Okay, so that's it, guys. Hope this will be helpful for you to trade tomorrow. So friends out there who want to learn my price action scalping strategy, which is my almost 5 to 6 years old strategy, you can contact me or WhatsApp me regarding the details. And friends who want to join my free channel, they are almost welcome. They can join, they can see my calls, my accuracies, my screenshot of my strategy over there. So there also one can learn something over there. Okay, and for more such videos, you can subscribe my YouTube channel also. Okay, thank you, guys. Have a good day. We'll catch you tomorrow with one more video. Bye.